Okay. Let's proceed by adding the image, the icon. I'll put image dot icon. I'll press enter. So here I will say img. I'll say img. I will put menu. Okay. Or we say menu icon. Let me put menu icon. Okay. All right. You see the menu icon here. That's fine. All right. Next thing we need to do is to enter the content. Let me just enter the content and so on, so that when we start coding, we'll just code as we go. So I'll put the second one. The second one is our row div. I'll say dot row. I'll press enter. Inside the dot row, I will have two columns. I will say dot column. Okay. This column will be used for the first information. Like as I said, when you open the website we are trying to build, you see this is the first column, this is the second column. Okay, the entire div that holds all of them is called row. All right, let's proceed. So this column will be used to hold, let's say for instance, we have h1. H1 will give us the title, which is website, courses. I want it to be in capital letter. You can say website courses. Okay, then I will enter the paragraph. So for the paragraph I have buy and subscribe to our simple and using online courses. Okay, so outside this P now, I will enter my button. I will say button, first button is subscribe. You see them coming out, okay? First button is subscribe. Then I will duplicate it by pressing Shift Alternate down arrow. I will put this one as here. Okay. So you see the two buttons here coming down. Alright, next thing I need to do is I need to create the other side of the div, which is the column 2. So I will say dot column. Under this dot column, I will have another div called dot card. Okay. And inside this dot card, I will create h5. I will create h5. This h5 will be, let us put header card 1. Okay, let's say header card 1. Okay, at the end, I will have another paragraph, which is P. And this paragraph will be just the description. This is header card 1. Okay, so I will just duplicate this div. So I will copy it, I will select it, and I will hold Shift, hold Alternate. I will use my arrow key and duplicate it into 4 places. 2, that's the fourth one. Okay, so I'll screw up for you to see it. So I will now start changing them. I will, first of all, here, I will have card 1 as another div. Okay, sorry. Here, I will create it with ID. I will do ID card 1. ID card 1, okay? Then I will do same for all of them, and I will change this one to 2. I will also do same here, and I will change this one to 3. Then I'll do same for the last one. Sorry, I will do same for the last one.